I welcome all of you, dear students. Our subject is basic mathematics. Subject code is 311302. It is for first year diploma semester first, common to all branches. This is a basic mathematics. Code is 311302, common to all branches of engineering diploma. In this course, we have to study 5 units based on case scheme, and the first unit is algebra. It has 12 hours. First unit is algebra. Second unit is trigonometry. It has 16 hours. Third unit is straight line. It has to be complete in 6 hours. Fourth unit is differential calculus. It has to complete in 16 hours. And last unit is statistics. It should be complete in 10 hours. So total hours are 60 hours total. So this is the course of basic mathematics, code 311302. So let us start with a first topic, algebra. Start the first topic, algebra. In a algebra, we have to study logarithms. Logarithms. The very first unit is concept and laws of logarithms. Concept and laws of logarithms. Logarithms basically denoted by equation a to the power y is equal to x, where y is exponent exponent to which a must be raised in order to obtain x. So y is the exponent to which a must be raised in order to obtain x. Means we have to obtain the value of x such that the a should be raised. A should be raised in a logarithmic form. So this equation a to the power y equal to x, it can be stated in terms of logarithms. in a logarithmic form, it is log x to the base a equals to y, and read as logarithm of x, logarithm of x with base a, with base a, logarithm of x with base a, or logarithm of base a of x, logarithm of base a of x. So it can be read in two different ways. First is logarithm of x with base a. The first is easily understand, logarithm of x to the base a. Suppose there is a to the power x is equal to b. Then how can we read it is in logarithmic form? Logarithm of b to the base a. Sorry, logarithm logarithm of b to base a. Logarithm of b to the base a. Another equation, suppose x raised to y equal to a. It can be read as logarithm of a to the base x. Logarithm of a to the base x. Now let us understand the, once again see this algebra. The very first unit is algebra. We have to cover in 12 hours. The algebra contains logarithms. In a logarithm, there is a basic concepts and laws of logarithms we have to study. The logarithm is denoted by equation a to the power y equal to x, where y is the exponent to which a must be raised in order to obtain x, value of x. So it can be read in logarithmic form, logarithm of x to the base a, logarithm of x to the base a equal to y, and read as logarithm of x with base a or logarithm of base a of x. So another types of logarithm, types of logarithms, there are two types. One is natural logarithms and common logarithm. There are two types, natural logarithm and common logarithm. In a natural logarithm, in a natural logarithm, many practical applications are studied. Many practical applications are studied. In that, e is used as a base. Instead of using base A, the E is used as a base. Instead of use A as a base, we have to use E as a base. Hence, logarithm to the base E is called natural logarithm. Hence, logarithm of base E, logarithm of base E is called natural logarithm, and it is denoted by log of y to the base E or ln y. This is the real form of natural logarithm. ln y, and it is denoted by in y. It is denoted by in y and read as ln y. And it is denoted by in y. This is the natural logarithm. Some examples: in x is denoted by logarithm of x to the base e is equal to in x. So in 12 is 2.4849. In calci, if we use a function in 12, we use the calci to find the value of in 12 is equal to 2.4849, or in e raised to 8 equal to 8. In and e are get cancelled, means their value is 1, so we get 8 value. So in e, this is a exponential function, and if the exponential function is multiplied with in, we get a value 1. In root e equal to in e to the power half, so half in e equals to half, its value is half. Always keep in mind value of in e equal to 1. Then how this come? In root e is equal to in e to the power half, and half is taken first, then in e is taken later. So there are some properties of logarithm we have to study, that we will study later. First, you understand what is the concept of natural logarithm, and second is common logarithm. In a common logarithm, we use base 10 instead of e. We use base 10. So it is log of x to the base 10, suppose is equal to y. This is the representation of common logarithm. Some properties are there. A to the power 0 equal to 1. As we know, a to the power y is equal to x. Here y equal to 0, x is equal to 1 in a logarithmic form. Log of x to the base a equal to y. Log of x to the base a equal to y. So log of value of x is 1, log of 1 to the base a equal to y value is 0. If we take ln by change of base rule, so it is in 1 divided by in a equal to 0. So in 1 equal to 0 into in a, in 1 equal to in this 0 comes a to the power 0, so in get cancels, a to the power 0 is equal to 1, and hence it is proved. There are some properties. A to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Another property, a to the power minus m equal to a to the power 1 by m. This minus m is becomes a to the power 1 by m. Always keep in mind, a to the power m divided by e to the power n is equal to e to the power m minus n. This m minus n, e to the power m minus n. So understand the properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithms. For a greater than 0, a not equals to 1, and any real number, any real number k, the following holds good. Very first is log of 1 to the base a equal to 0. Second property is log of a to the power k to the base a equal to k, where k is any real number. Third property is a to the power log k to the base a equal to k. A to the power log k to the base a equal to k, where k greater than 0. This is the properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithm. Second is product rule. Product rule. For product rule, quotient rule, power rule, change of base rule, we have to understand x greater than 0, y greater than 0, a not equals to 1, and any real number r. Any real number r. So keep in mind, for product rule, quotient rule, power rule, change of base rule, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, a not equals to 1, and any real number r. Any real number r. Let us know the properties. The very first property is product rule. Product rule. In a product rule, log of xy to the base a is represented as log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. The base is same in right hand side and left hand side. Only change is that this product is taken as a addition form. Log of xy to the base a is equal to log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. Second, quotient rule. Quotient rule. In a quotient rule, log of x by y to the base a equal to log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. Base is same, only the term which is divided, x divided by y, is converted into log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a in subtraction form. Third rule, power rule. Power rule. Log of x to the power r to the base a equals to r log x to the power base a. Sorry, r log of x to the base a. X to the power r. R is any real number. It is multiplied first, then we have taken log of x to the base a. This is the power rule. Fourth is change of base rule. Change of base rule. Consider log of x to the base a equal to log of x to the base b. B is taken as new base. Log of a to the base b. This is the change of base rule. Only difference is that the new base is taken and we divided the log of x to the base b log of a to the base b. This is the base rule. Now some another properties. Log of 0 to the base a equals to minus infinity, where a greater than 1. Next property is log of a to the base a is equal to 1. If same signs are there for log of AA is equal to 1, log of BB is equal to 1, log of XX is equal to 1, log of YY is equal to 1. Simple property. Log of x to the base 10 is equal to m log x, where m is equal to log of e to the base 10, which is equal to 0.4343. Log of x to the base 10 we can convert into m log x, where m is log of e to the base 10 is equal to 0.4343. Another property, log of 10 to the base e equal to 1 by log of e to the base 10. Log of e to the base 10. Log of 10 to the base e is equal to 1 by log e to the base 10. Another property, log of e to the power x to the base e equal to x. Log of e to the power x to the base e equal to x. Another property, a raised to log x to the base a equal to x. A to the power log x to the base a equal to x, and e to the power log x to the base e equal to x. E to the power log of x to the base e is equal to x. This is the properties of logarithms. This is the properties of logarithms. So thank you. Next class we will discuss examples on properties of logarithms. Thank you.